Introducing the Scooty Mobility Scooty Eco Deluxe. Fabulous new lightweight scooter, only 13.5 kilos. Folds and unfolds in seconds. Adjustable steering, comfortable seat. Comes with 2 batteries, lightweight lithium batteries. Spare battery under the seat, so it's always there if you need it. Adjusting the steering height there. And it folds and unfolds in literally seconds. Total weight of about 13.5 kilos. This is its semi-folded state. Just so light. Folded completely in half if you've got a very small car. Everything clips into place, just so simple. Drop the seat back into place and the scooter is ready to drive away. Drive and reverse functions on it, battery indicator being plugged into the mains. It's onboard or off-board charging, so you don't have to pull the whole scooter as we have here up to the mains. You can just take the battery itself and charge it up. Scooty Eco Deluxe.